Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x times x over x plus x is equal to 6, or x times x is x square times x is x cube over x plus x is 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 6. Now multiplying both sides by 3, we can write here 3 times x cube over 3x is equal to 6 times 3. Now this 3 cancel out this 3, so we will get x cube over x. X can be written as x to the power 1 is equal to 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, now we know that a to the power m over a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So apply this rule, we can write x to the power 3 minus 1 is equal to 18. Okay. Or now x to the power 3 minus 1 is 2 is equal to 18. Now taking a square root on both sides, we can write a square root of x square is equal to a square root of 18. Now here plus or minus. Okay. Or this square cancel out this square root, so it will be remaining x is equal to plus or minus square root of 18 can be written as 9 times 2. So finally the value of x is equal to plus or minus 3 square root of 2, and it is our final answer. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.